matters in agent systems. So tool integration, it transforms an AI from a thinker into a doer, because without tools, AI is just a thinker. Large language models can give you some very good strategies. It can do the planning for you. But with tools, with tool integration, it can also execute those strategies. So with tool integration, AI becomes doer. So tool integration transforms an AI from a thinker into a doer. And if we talk about agents, AI agents are not just LLMs. AI agents, they become powerful when they can call APIs, when they can execute code, when agents can access databases, and when AI agents can interact with the real world systems. So the real power in AI agents is when they can act, they can call APIs, they can execute code, they can access databases, they can interact with the real world systems.